Good morning, heavy duty motorcycles in Mansfield. A beautiful sunny dry morning for a change, and I thought you'd be interested to see this customer's bike that we've just finished the next phase of work on. I think I've featured this before. It's a 2018 CVO Roadglide, and what we've done with the engine is a 128 S&S Big Bore kit, CNC Ported heads and gear driven cams, and then we've had these, this time around we've had this one-off 2-in-1 exhaust made. Beautiful piece of welding and engineering, and then other things that it features are these, I don't know if you can see them there, these Kraus fully adjustable handlebars, and clock setup, Oberon levers. These are really high quality, actually made in the UK. Then we have obviously Corbin seat, and this is a real feature. This is the first in the world of a Metmachex Swing Arm for the Roadglide, and we've done this in collaboration with Metmachex, who we work with all the time and use their swing arms all the time, but it's the first time that they've actually made one, and we're now offering these for glides. Also, you'll see, of course, teamed with these Ohlins shocks. And here we have another piece we've just done, this sprocket and chain conversion. Nice little feature on the viewing panel there on the Derby cover, and also around the other side, all Kraus footboards. Huge amount of work and money has gone into this. The owner tells us that he's in just over 50k so far. It's the bags aren't on because we're just awaiting the arrival of some carbon fibre bags which will go on, and then he's possibly going to have a new paint job, something like that, something unique. Beautiful bike. I'll start it up in a moment. Test rode it yesterday. I didn't. my business partner Pete did, and had to throttle off because of traffic at about 150. There was still plenty of go left in 6th gear, and just as a special favour for customer service, he's I don't know if you can see that, he's christened the footboards on both sides, so that takes some doing on a bike like this. Let me start it up for you. There you go. This is our very good customer reinterpretation of a lovely long distance touring bike is now a very angry high performance machine. That's the way he likes his bikes. Most of his bikes are set up that way, and so you may not be looking to spend tens of thousands on your bike, but it's just it's a flagship really of what sort of thing that we can do for you. If you're interested in having some modifications done on your bike, or particularly this Metmachex Swing Arm, which is now available for glides, then give us a call. Heavy Duty Motorcycles, Mansfield. Thanks for watching.